All right, guys, today we're going to do a different video, but I think a lot of you are going to find very interesting. And I am now in New York, and I am going to be, well, we're going to see, this is John F. Kennedy's childhood home. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, hard to believe for some people, but in the Bronx, in New York, this John F. Kennedy's childhood home is located. You can Google it if you want. This is a 20-room home, and this is where he grew up. John F. Kennedy, one of the greatest presidents in the United States. I guess this is all part of it right here. The funny thing is that there's no one here. I don't see any cars. I do see like a driveway here, and I do see these car here, but I believe it belongs to people who, you know, kind of like frequent here. I've seen people that I guess are renting in there, but this is the actual home right here. It's a mansion, 20-room mansion home. This is where Kennedy grew up. It's in the Bronx, New York. You can Google it if you want. Yep. The times that I've drove by here, walked by, I never see any cars here. Never see any cars. I do see this empty driveway here. I don't know why this house has not been turned into a some sort of like a museum, but I do see this driveway here. It looks like it goes down into the I guess basement there. I don't want to go in there. It's private property, I guess. So I do not want to take a chance, but here it goes right here. It's pretty big. It goes around this way, and we're gonna take a look at it around from this way. I'll be back.